Welcome back to the channel. In this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Phantom wallet by sending your Solana straight to your Binance account. The process is quick, and as long as you enter the right address, your funds should arrive in minutes. Open your Phantom wallet and make sure you're on the account that holds your Solana. Once you're inside, look for the send option. Tap it and Phantom will ask you for the address you want to send to. Now go to your Binance account and search for Solana. Open the deposit page and copy your Solana deposit address. Double check that it's the Solana network, then head back to Phantom and paste the address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Solana you want to withdraw. Phantom will show you the network fee and the final amount you're about to send. Once everything looks right, confirm the transaction. Phantom will ask you to authorize it, and after you approve, the transfer goes straight to the blockchain. Within a short moment, you should see the Solana appear in your Binance wallet, and that's all you need to do. Your withdrawal is complete, and your Solana is now in Binance, ready for trading, swapping, or converting to cash. If this helped, make sure you stick around for more simple step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next video.